Dear student, in chapter Light Reflection by Spherical Mirrors, as you are aware of new Cartesian sign convention, rules for drawing the ray diagram, mirror formula and magnification, in the theoretical part you have already studied and understood, I hope so. So now you can apply these rules for solving the numericals based on this. So we can apply it. Before that, you must know the format of solving numericals based on the spherical mirror. Here some points are there. While solving numerical, you have to do it in this order. First you have to read the question properly. While reading question, you will find the word concave or convex. Then you will write it that this question is for concave or convex. First step. After that, you have to draw the diagram for that mirror, whether it is concave or convex, as it is shown here. For concave or for convex, you have to draw the diagram and label pole, focus, center of curvature for the mirror. After that, you will write given. Under this heading given, you have to write the variables which are given in the questions. In terms of the variables, the value you have to write like u, v, u for the distance of the object from the pole, v for the distance of image from the pole, h for height of object, h dash for height of image, f for small f for focal length, capital R for radius of curvature, small m for magnification. Accordingly, you will use these variables, and then you will write to find heading. What is required to be found? The unknown variable, you have to write this, and after that you will write the formula used. Here two formula are there, you are aware of it in this topic. Spherical mirror, one is the mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v, and the other of magnification, m is equal to minus v by u is equal to h dash upon h, as you are aware of it. So you will apply this formula and put the values which is given in the question as you have written the given, and solve this for the unknown variable and write the answer in box. So this is the format. Based on that, you can easily solve question based on for concave mirror or convex mirror. Let us see example for each. Like this is for convex mirror and this is for concave mirror. As you are already aware of the ray diagram for different position of object in case of the concave mirror, let's see here which position is given in this question. Here the question is an object is placed at a distance of 30 cm in front of concave mirror. Its image is formed at a distance of 20 cm. If image is real, find the focal length of the mirror and magnification. So as you are aware, I told you that as per the format you have read the question and understood which word is discussed, concave mirror. So and then you will draw diagram, write given to find formula used in this order. So let's see here. As I have done here, you have to solve the numericals like this every time whenever you are doing numerical. So after writing this for concave mirror, you can see here the diagram is drawn for the concave mirror and labeled. Draw diagram and label. Now as object is always placed on the left hand side, you are aware in case of spherical mirrors, and we will write the given. What is given in the question? You can see the values. You can see 30 cm and 20 cm are the value visible. What is 30 cm? It is distance of object. So small u we are taking as 30 cm and v for the distance of image as 20 cm. As you are aware that it is given in this question, it is real. If the image is real, it is given in the question, and for all the position of the object up to focus, you are aware that inverted and real image is formed by the concave mirror. So what does it mean? The image is formed on the left hand side of the mirror where the object is there on the left side also. So here also the sign as per the new Cartesian sign convention, minus sign we will put in case of the given minus 30 and minus 20 it becomes. Okay. Now we will proceed further. Next step is to find what you have to find in the question. Find the focal length and magnification. So 1 and 2 things you have to find. Label it like this, what I have written: focal length and magnification. Then formula used, mirror formula you will use here as given, and to find all the variables u, v, f, make this formula. So 1 upon f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. As per the steps or the format for solving numerical, you will put the values and solve it for the unknown. Here small f, focal length comes out to be minus 12 centimeter. So you can see here in the diagram, as you can mark it properly, F, P and C, and you can see the object is placed at 30 centimeter. Focal length you have calculated as 12 centimeter. So this is 12, and center of curvature it will be double, as the radius is double of the focal length. So it is 24. You can see here it is written in the diagram as focal length you have calculated 12 and center of curvature becomes 24. On the left hand side it is minus, that's why it is put sign is here. And how much is u and v given in the question? U was given minus 30 centimeter. So it is after this C, beyond C. You can see the object is placed here, and similarly image is formed where in between. Now you can apply the rule for drawing ray diagram, and by using pencil you can easily draw the ray parallel to principal axis pass through focus and other ray passing through the center of curvature where they are intersecting. You will get the position of image here very clearly, and it is also given in the question as minus 20 centimeter. Okay, so you can confirm that this is the image formed and where is the position, is it? So you can do it like this, the step by step what I told you. Now the second part of the question, they are also asking the magnification. The formula is m is equal to minus v by u. Already in the formula minus is there. Okay, now we will put the value of v and u as per the question. Okay, and the given value of u and v is here minus 30 and minus 20 centimeter you are putting in the formula, and you can get the magnification. Here the sign of the magnification is negative, which shows that the image is real, as you are aware of it. So I hope it is clear for concave mirror. So accordingly you have to solve every question of concave mirror like this. Now let's come to the convex mirror. Here you are aware of the ray diagram and position of the object as you have stated earlier. Okay, here which case is there? They are discussing the object is, let's read the question. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find the position and nature of the image formed. Also find its magnification. Okay, so as per the method you will write the, it is for convex mirror. Draw the diagram, label PFC with the correct distance from P to F. How much distance you are taking? Same distance from F to C should be there, then only diagram will be correct. Okay, and then what you will write, given is object u, distance of object from pole is given 10 centimeter, focal length is given 15. You can label in the diagram. So always the focal length is positive in case of the convex mirror, as it is on the right hand side. So here plus sign we will put, and similarly the object is always placed on the left hand side, so minus sign we are putting as per the new Cartesian sign convention. Okay, after that you will write to find. Here you have to find the position of the image, one thing. Second, you have to find the nature of image, and third they are asking in the question magnification. So 1 2 3 you will write like this. Now we will solve for this one by one respectively. Let's see, formula used will be mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So here you are putting the values, whatever is known to you, given and to find you will put here, and as you are solving linear equations in the mathematics, for the unknown you are getting here v as 6 centimeter. You will write the answer in box, every variable whatever you are getting in numericals. So first part is over, position of image. Now second they are asking nature of the image. Here you can see in the diagram, when you will put the, here v is getting 6 centimeter, So image is placed at 6 centimeter from the mirror. Now how we can get it? We will apply the ray diagram. So object is placed at 10 centimeter. You can mark it accordingly. You can see here on the x-axis I have labeled PFC, and as focal length is given 15 centimeter. So we can divide it into three parts, 5 5 5 interval point you can see on the line. Okay, and similarly here between F and C equal part. So it shows that all interval of 5 centimeter. Similarly on the left hand side on the axis from pole you can see 5 5 10 centimeter, right? So that a rough diagram is there, but near about okay to the same you can get here answer. Now we will apply the rules. A ray passing parallel to principal axis passes through the focus. As it is behind the mirror, you will draw dotted line. Similarly, other rule passing through the center of curvature we have applied, and where they are intersecting, this is the position of the image. You can clearly see that it is after 5, which is between 5 and 10, and we are also getting the position of the image as 6 centimeter, isn't? Okay, so you can check it by diagram that both are coming correct. Your numerical method that you are solving, and also diagrammatically both should match with each other. So the ray diagram is very much helpful to you to get and confirm this. Now clearly the image is virtual and erect as it is behind the mirror. Okay, now the third part they are asking the magnification. Again we will apply the formula minus v by u and get magnification as positive. You are aware that for the virtual and erect weight, magnification is always coming in positive as shown here. So I hope it is clear to you. So like this you can easily apply the format for solving the numerical case of the spherical mirrors. Now based on this you can easily complete the questions. I hope so. Okay, now based on this you have to solve this question, the worksheet which is given here on the topic reflection of the light for spherical mirrors. Okay, so these questions you have to write in copy. As you have been doing the notes in your copy, all these will carry internal marks, and one test will be taken based on whatever you have understood in this chapter till date. Okay, on date is given here. You can read this and understand the questions and solve it in copy. In addition to this, here you can see in 16th question you have to write the experiment to find the focal length of concave mirror in lab manual. Okay, in the format which is given in 17th question, like this. This is the format. Okay, apply this. I hope you are able to do it, and if you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me as per the schedule. Okay, thank you very much.